Actually, I'm going to discuss about how to connect Microsoft SQL Server with C#.NET. So here you can see this is now Microsoft SQL Server Management Studio, and here this is the connection is now Adam SQL Server, and if I give the password, then this connected, and here this is the record inside the Adam database. So if I click on this disconnect and click on this connect, and after giving the password, now this is the database, Adam is there, and this is here table records. So wanna see the escort.mp, select here top 1000, then you can see emp escort.emp table records. Now thereafter let's use here Visual Studio 2022 that I'm using. Then you need to click on this create new project and C# selected here desktop application. There I'm going to select Windows Form desktop application, click name, and here if you want then you can change the name of this project. So leave that default, click on this continue, click. So after that, after creating, here you can see the new page that's open. So first here let's go on this toolbox, and here going to drag one button control there. Now let's make that little bigger, and when that button click event, I'm going to paste the code here. So from this one, let's copy and paste the code inside. Controls save that, and now let's run this code and check the output first. So when I click on this button, click event that fire, and this is here 4 columns rows that's displaying. So 4 column data that's displaying here. So this place you can see total numbers of columns, and here this is now 4 total, or till this 7369. Then after Smith, here you can see it's 7369 Smith clerk 7902 that's displaying. When I click here, so total 14 rows are there, so you need to click, you can click here 14 times, and now that's done. So after reading 14 rows, there is nothing. So if you want to see the records once again, then click on this button, click, then after here you can see total 14 rows is there. So 14 rows that's displaying one by one. Now let's stop that, and now going to explain this code. So first here, this is unnecessary namespace, and this is not required, insert the code. So SQL client that's required, and if I give here comment, then compiler does not understand here SQL connection, SQL command, SQL reader, this all. Okay, so this that comes under system data.sql client. You can see there is no any problems, and Windows form that's required, that's for here form, and here message box class. So 3 namespace that required. Now thereafter when I click on this button, click, then this code that execute, and here you can see SQL connection that is used to open the connection of SQL Server database, and SQL command that is used to execute SQL Server database query, and then this is used to read the rows from the SQL Server database. Then a string data types, here name is path, and here you can see this that I provide. So data source, localhost, or you can give your IP address, and here database name you need to give, trusted connection that's true. Here SQL and here select a start from this query that execute. Then after connect a new connection path. So path this provide and that go to con. Thereafter try catch if there is the problem inside there, so that catch by the catch block. Then after con open the connection, then cmd new SQL command method is there that provide SQL this one, and here con this one. Con this one SQL con we need to provide two parameter, then dir cmd, so cmd and this is used to execute the query. Okay, after that var dir dot read, so total it is used to read here all the rows, and if rows are present then that return true, else false. Then after message box, here you can see or dir, and here get values, so get the values. Here you can see column 1, so column first, here second, third and fourth. So column index that start from 0, so 0 you can give, and 1 2 3, so that hereafter when that done, then when this all read, then that close the order, and here cmd dispose and con correction that close. So when I click here start, then you can see here 1 2 3 4, so total 4 values there, so that it's displaying the 4. So one by one that's all reading. So this here that's true or till 40 times. This is 40 times, and when that all done, all rows read, then that return false and that out from the while. And if you want to display here only or 3 rows, then you need to click or you need to give here 3 or 0 1 2 3. Then you can see here first 3 column data that's displaying these places. So here total 40 times that's execute. You need to click OK here. So this is the most simplest way we can connect here Microsoft SQL Server with C#.NET. So I hope guys this video is helpful for you. So now this video is over. So thanks for watching. See you next video. Thank you.